What up, peeps? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm heading to my job so I can clean the engine bay on the Civic. I picked up my tripod from my house and now I'm heading back to work. I got this little thing to hold the phone and then the tripod. So I'm just dragging you guys along with me. I'm gonna clean the engine bay and make it look a little better than what it does now. I'm gonna show you now what it looks like. See how dirty she is? I don't know if that's like the paint all messed up, but we'll find out in a second. And it has a really bad oil leak somewhere. I still haven't fixed it. Been too busy working, you know, I do work a full-time job, so I'm gonna peel some stickers off. Peel those stickers off. And yeah, you're just hearing stuff from my job, so just ignore the noise behind me and tuck that wire a lot better. Well, this is the best I could do for now. I eventually want to, like I said before, take everything out and start with this side, start repainting a different color. Or maybe just do it one day and take out the whole swap and degrease the crap out of everything and sand it down real nice and paint it a different color, or I don't know. I'm going to toss up some ideas tonight and I'll fill you guys in on the next video. Light out so you can see better with the light. Does look way better now. But the paint's chipping everywhere. You can see it's chipping down somewhere. So I want to make this engine bay look real pretty, especially with the new swap I have. So I made a decision today that I'm gonna paint the engine bay a different color, or maybe white. I still have decided the color, but I have decided that I am gonna paint it and I am gonna shave it. So I'm gonna do this all on my own. A guy that inspired me to do this is Vasil Garage. I'm gonna put his name right here. But he inspired me after watching his videos and checking him out on Instagram. He's doing one hell of an integral build. Go check him out, man. So I'm heading home now because it's raining and I'm off work. And yeah, nothing else going on today with the rain. So thanks for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up and share it. See you next time. Peace.